#InfoLection 2024.
Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Galina Reitz, and I'm a faculty director at the College of Information. I am also the Associate Director of Higher Education for MIDA, the Maryland Initiative on Digital Accessibility. Today, I really want to talk to you about voting and accessibility. Digital accessibility in voting isn't just a best practice, it's a fundamental right. Making sure that everyone can participate in the process, regardless of disability, is essential and fair and inclusive elections. Today, we're diving into the best ways to ensure digital accessibility for voting and how to put best practices into action. Accessibility barriers can affect a wide range of individuals, including those with visual, auditory, cognitive, and motor impairments. Let's talk about how we can break down these barriers by focusing on digital accessibility. In the US, laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, and standards such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines guide the way we build accessible digital experiences. For voting, this is critically important. These are standards. It's more than just compliance. It's about empowering all voters to participate fully. Now, let's look at some best practices for making voting digitally accessible. First, election-related websites should meet the WCAG 2.1 standards. This means including alternative text for images, ensuring forms are accessible, and supporting screen reader compatibility. Also, use clear language, large fonts, and high contrast color schemes to accommodate everyone. Make sure navigation can be done entirely with a keyboard is really important, and giving users the options to adjust font sizes and colors. PDFs and forms used for voter registration or information need to be tagged for screen readers. We have to keep the design simple and void of complicated layouts that can make navigation difficult. We always have to provide multiple ways for voters to access information. This could include phone hotlines, large print materials, or even sign language videos. Making content available in different formats ensures inclusivity. Testing for accessibility should involve real users with disabilities. Automated tools can catch some issues, but manual testing by people who use assistive technologies is critical for catching what automation might miss. Accessibility isn't a one-time project. It's a continuous process. We have to encourage voter feedback to improve digital platforms and always be ready to address new challenges as technology evolves. Inclusive elections begin with accessible digital experiences. By embracing these best practices, we ensure that every voter has a voice in shaping our future. Together, we can make voting accessible for all.
#InfoLection 2024.